ACSI member schools benefit from a variety of services. Firstly, because we value relationship, we offer connection. We provide you with connection to and fellowship with a community of like-minded professionals in education via principal meetings, conferences and workshops. ACSI also offers access to our network of partners and service providers that can benefit your schools in a variety of ways. Visit acsi.co.za, go to Resources and click on Our Partners to learn more. We not only connect you locally, we also offer opportunities for worldwide connections. International collaboration opportunities exist which encourage peer learning and global awareness on teacher and student level. You also gain access to the International Christian Educators Conference organized by our global headquarters. Remember, we are stronger together.